Good morning, it's Friday, August the 21st, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. It's a Friday just before we head into the weekend, so it's a relatively slow news cycle day. Everybody is gearing up in anticipation for September when the markets are back and back to work, so it doesn't look like a lot of companies want to put out news at this point. However, I do have one great press release for you, like I mentioned, comes out of the U.S. side. It's a company called China Recycling Energy Corp. Trades on the bulletin board under the symbol CREG. We keep telling you how much we love these Chinese companies, and the reason is because they provide such great revenues and income. This is a waste-to-energy solution provider which is based in China. We're providing their financial results for the second quarter of 2009, ended June 30th. We've got highlights for the 6 months, which ended June 30th, 09. Revenues were $15.5 million compared to $2.6 million in the same period last year. Income from operations was $5 million, up from $420,000 in the same period last year. Net income was $4.3 million with diluted earnings per share of 10 cents compared to a net loss of $3.6 million with diluted earnings per share of negative 17 cents. So quite a turnaround for this company. 4.3 million net income versus a loss of 3.6 million last year. Non-GAAP net income from operations was $5.4 million compared with $1.1 million in the same period last year. Now, bank balances. As of June 30th, 09, cash and cash equivalents were $14.7 million compared with $7.3 million at the end of 2008. And finally, net cash provided by operating activities was $9 million for the 6 months of 09, compared with net cash outflow from operations of $3.8 million in the same period last year. So this year they brought in $9 million in cash versus the cash that they let go, $3.8 million last year. We've got a business outlook statement from the company which reaffirms its expectations for 2009 revenues to be in the range of $33 million to $36 million with net income of approximately $8 million. So pretty aggressive outlook, but it looks like this company has definitely turned the corner. A little bit about the company. They're based in China and they provide environmentally friendly waste-to-energy technologies to recycle industrial byproducts for steel mills, cement factories, and coke plants in China. Company's last at $1.19, high of $1.38, low of 22 cents, and a market cap of approximately $43 million. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a tremendous weekend, and join us again here on Monday. We've got more great press releases and halts out of the small cap sector.